Do you know that Volkswagen just pulled the curtain off one of the most important family SUVs in their entire American lineup? And honestly, it might be the biggest glow-up VW has ever done. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the all-new 2027 Volkswagen Atlas, fresh off its debut at the New York International Auto Show. Let's start outside, because first impressions matter. Up front, you're greeted with double-stacked LED headlights, flanking a bold, masked upper grille. Think confidence. Think presence. On all but the base trim, you get double light lines and an illuminated VW badge that lights up the night. It's genuinely striking. Now, is the redesign revolutionary? Honestly, no. From across the street, you could still mistake this for the outgoing model. But get closer, and you'll notice sharper lines, stronger fender flares, sculpted side sills, and a beltline that rises toward the rear, giving the SUV visual length and a more athletic stance. Available illuminated door handles are a classy touch you rarely see in this price range. Around back, the tailgate now sits flush with the rear bumper. The spoiler is more pronounced, and full-width taillights mirror the front lighting signature, topped off with 3 dynamic turn signal animations that feel like they belong on an Audi, not a family hauler. 3 new colors join the palette: Blackberry, Sacramento Green, and Sandstone. Base models roll on 18-inch rims, while upper trims step up to 20 and 21-inch alloys. As for dimensions, the 2027 Atlas is approximately 1 inch longer than its predecessor, while width, height, and wheelbase stay identical. Ground clearance sits at around 6.3 inches. Fine for light trails and bad weather, but don't take this to a mountain track. It's a family SUV, not a Raptor. Step inside, and this is where things genuinely impressed me. Volkswagen completely reimagined the cabin. A bold architectural loop runs across the dashboard, pulling everything together: the screens, the vents, the lighting, into one cohesive design statement. The shift lever moves to the steering column, freeing up a spacious center console built for real family life. Real wood decor is standard on every single trim, and soft touch materials are everywhere. You can choose from 3 interior color palettes: a light pebble gray, a moody black and dark gray, or an all-new deep wine. Leatherette covers the base model, while upper trims step into Verena leather, and the top 2 trims offer buttery Napa leather. Drivers get a 12-way power-adjustable seat with enhanced 4-way lumbar support, and upper trims add thigh support plus 4-way massaging front seats for both driver and passenger. Now, the bad news? If you're buying the base trim, you're missing out on a lot of this premium experience. That ambient lighting system? 10 colors standard, 30 on upper trims with those beautiful backlit perforated door panels. It's gorgeous, but budget buyers won't see it. On the tech side, things get exciting. All trims except the base receive a massive 15-inch floating infotainment display. The base gets a still respectable 12.9-inch unit. Every Atlas comes with a 10.25-inch Digital Cockpit Pro gauge cluster. A new driver experience dial in the center console handles volume, drive modes, and the Atmospheres feature. Dual Qi 2 wireless charging pads sit side by side in the console, and 7 USB-C ports are scattered throughout the cabin. VW even includes a 1-year trial of their generative AI voice assistant, Premium Speech, which handles natural language conversations. A 9-speaker system is base, and a 14-speaker Harman Kardon Premium Audio is available up top. However, no hybrid at launch. VW says that arrives at the mid-cycle refresh, possibly around 2029 or even 2030. Yeah, that's a long wait. Under the hood sits the new EA888 Evo5 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 282 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, 13 more horses than before, making it the most powerful Atlas ever built. Torque does dip by 15 pound-feet compared to the outgoing model. That's a small but real trade-off. An 8-speed automatic transmission is standard, with front-wheel drive as default, and VW's 4-motion all-wheel drive available across all trims. Based on the previous Atlas, expect a 0 to 60 time around 7.5 seconds. Adequate, not thrilling. Official numbers aren't out yet, but fuel economy should beat the outgoing model's 23 miles per gallon combined. Towing capacity holds strong at 5,000 pounds with a factory hitch, and cargo space is massive at up to 96.6 cubic feet, more than the Kia Telluride and Honda Pilot. Safety gets a meaningful upgrade. A new front center airbag brings the total to 7. The standard IQ Drive suite includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, lane centering, and adaptive cruise control. The Travel Assist feature enables semi-automated hands-on driving from 0 all the way up to 95 miles per hour. And Emergency Assist can now guide the vehicle to the roadside if it detects a medical emergency, something that genuinely matters for families. Pricing is expected to start around $40,000 to $41,000, climbing up toward the $55,000 range for fully loaded top trims. It arrives at dealerships this fall of 2026, proudly assembled in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So, is the 2027 Atlas worth your attention? Absolutely. Is it perfect? No. But for a family that wants genuine space, real premium feel, smart tech, and strong safety, all without Audi pricing, this is the one to watch. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I read every single one.